Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Today, as you can see, I have a very special unboxing. This is different from my regular Tamiya stuff. This is the Kyosho Mini-Z MR-03 EVO set. And this one comes with the 4100KV brushless motor. It's front narrow in the wheelbase, and I'm sure you can change it to the wide variation. They give you parts for that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. As you can see, it's from Kyosho, and if the camera can pick this up, it's a MR-03 EVO. It's got the 4100KV brushless motor. It says its throttle response is up to 100 times better, and processing speed is 11.2 times better. Comes with full ball bearing and ball differential set 2. So that's already pretty good. This thing is $189 US. So it's been hard to find. I had to get this from Kyosho's website, KyoshoAmerica.com, and luckily they had this one in stock. They also had the 5600KV version, and I opted for this one just to see what this is all about. So as you can see from the other side of the box, these are the pictures of what you get, and you don't get the receiver unit, but this is something that you have to purchase separately. But this allows you to use your own preferred transmitter, and I believe you can use the Kyosho 432P or KT. I forget the actual name, but you also can use the Futaba 4PM or 7PM or 7PX, and then there's no Sanwa as of yet. I don't think that's working, but there is another one. I forget the name, but it's a different brand. It's from China, and I'll probably put the information in the video later. But yeah, as you can see, this is a factory pre-assembled kit. It's just a chassis, so there's no wheels, and there's no body, so you have to get your own wheels and body, and obviously four AAA batteries, so 4 for the car and then 4 for the transmitter. So yeah, this is item 32798, and it's 220,000 yen. That's roughly just under $200 US. Alright, so I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so I've cut off the tape, and I'm just going to open it to see what's inside. This is upside down. Oh wow. So inside you get the instruction manual and parts list. There's some optional parts that you can add onto your MR-03. And you should probably get this with some of the ready to run sets, so this is probably not new to you. Instruction manual, which you should look and read carefully. And here it is, the MR-03 EVO. So with the brushless system, there's 3 wires, three cables that goes with the motor. That's the green 4100KV motor. It comes with ball bearings, and that's the differential set. And so here, this is where you would insert the receiver chip, depending on your transmitter. And I just remember the other transmitter that's also available to use is the Fly Sky Noble. And that one's pretty cool because it's for left and right-handed people. You can turn the wheel to the other side. So what else we get? We got these motor mounts. We got the this is the set to change the width of the car, the front, from narrow to wide. Here we get the battery cable, not cables, but the battery covers, and the wheel nut, some tools, and then more tools. This is for optimizing the ball differential set too. So yeah, this is actually attached on the back, so I'll take this off later, but you can see clearly from this video what it looks like. And if you have a Mini-Z MR-03 at home, this is pretty much the same thing. All of this is that they've redesigned the covers here. There's another slot to cover this up, and then they've given you the motor here. So that's really cool. Can't wait to try this and run it on a foam tiles or RCP track. Yeah, so there you go. I hope you like this unboxing. This is the Mini-Z MR-03 EVO 4100KV version. There is a 5600KV and 8500KV. I'll correct that in the notes later. But yeah, so this is relatively entry level, I guess, if you are just getting into, well, not entry level, if you're getting into Mini-Z, I would not recommend this. First off, I would recommend a ready to run set. But if you've already driven a little bit and have a feel for how your car goes and you want to upgrade and use your own transmitter, this would be something that you can consider purchasing. So again, this was the Mini-Z MR-03 EVO 4100KV set, and it is item number 32798. Alright, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.